Okay, this one is neither proof here nor there. It's just another example of how these lying globe priests will continually use fallacies to try to influence your pattern of thought. They keep trying to come and say that Starlink and Ellon Musk and SpaceX have proven the Earth isn't flat because they've got these supposed satellites flying, orbiting the imaginary globe. In order for that to be proof of anything regarding flat Earth, your contention would have to be that it would be impossible for them to fake it. In other words, there is no way with the drone technology we have, with the already reported supposed solar plane we have that supposedly circumnavigated the Earth, that it would be impossible for them to put some sort of craft in the air with a trail of lights behind it and call it satellites. You're claiming that's impossible on a flat Earth, that there's no way they can put a plane in the air, string some lights behind it, and say, look, we put satellites around our globe. This is the kind of asinine proof they continually try to use to prove their globe. Because once again, if you hold them and demand they use actual science and measurements to prove curvature in a standing body of water, they are fucked. They cannot do it. Because the minute they try, they are going to prove the flat Earth. It's that simple. That's how this works. So this is why I will continually demand, measure and prove that a standing body of water curves due to gravity. You will be waiting a long time for them to actually do it. Because the minute they do, the globe is gone.